back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely amazing day. Thank you so much for being here, for subscribing and commenting. I love talking back with you guys. If you're new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family, and make sure to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. So, you can see from the description, you guys asked. So here we are going to be unboxing the Ulta 12 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. So I guess we're just going to start with number one and go. I'm going to go ahead and do the whole thing and show you guys. So let's pull out item number one. And if I'm not mistaken, I'm like 99% sure all of these are Ulta Beauty products. So the first one is an Ulta Beauty brow pencil, and this is in it doesn't have a shade name, but it does appear to be like a medium to light brown. So there's that. And then we will go with number two. And here we have, I can tell it's black, Ulta Beauty eyeliner. And number three. This is an Ulta Beauty Chubby Eye Crayon. Again, no name, but it looks to be like a shimmery brown. So number four. Ooh, y'all, this is so pretty. This is Ulta Beauty Gel Bounce Eyeshadow. Open it and so you guys could see that beautiful color. Nothing has color names on it. All right, number five. Ooh, this is pretty. This is the Ulta Beauty Shimmer Blush. That is very pretty. That would actually be very light for a blush, but would probably make a really pretty highlighter or even an eyeshadow. Well, no, just kidding, because it says not for use in the eye area. So a highlighter. Number six. Oh, this is pretty. Ulta Beauty Cream Eyeshadow. Again, no name, but it's a really pretty. It's a little bit darker than like a champagne, but it's super, super pretty. So I'm happy about that. Right. Number seven. Figure out how to open these things. Oh, this is cute. It's got something on it though. Okay. Again, no name. This is the Ulta Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. And it's a very, very pretty color. Like, I really, really like that. So number 8. Oh, that's upside down. Number 8. What is this? Oh, oh my goodness, this is so cute. This is the Ulta Beauty highlighting drops. So like a liquid highlighter, but you guys, it's so tiny. But it is just precious. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see. So cute. Like you can, let's see. You can see there. Oh, that's cute. It's cute. I love, obviously I know that these were going to be smaller items, but that for some reason is just super adorable to me. All right, so we've got number 9. And this is Ulta Beauty. This is a loose highlighter. Oh, it's got one of those seals. Okay, so it's, or does it? Does it? Yo, I can't tell. I'm like shaking it, trying to see if it actually is sealed. It appears to be, but I don't see where I can peel the sticker. So anyway, this is what it looks like. So, and again, it's so cute. Like it's tiny, but it's just so cute. So now we're on to number 10. I'm guessing this is a little lipstick. I just love how cute these, how little and cute these are. This is so cute. So I really like that shade's very neutral. So a cream lipstick. Number 11. Oh. This is Ulta Beauty Glitter Lip Topper. And that is really pretty. You can see it there. So pretty. All right, y'all. Number 12. And number 12 is, oh, very, very sparkly. Ulta Beauty Glitter Eye Top Coat. And that is super, super shiny. Let's see. You can see it here. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay. I like, it's right here. It's not like, I like that. Let's see if I can get, you can see it a little better. It's like just little sparkle. I really like that. I think that's super cute. So that was the 12 Days of Ulta Beauty Advent Calendar. I think it's fun. I love this time of year. It told me everything on the back, y'all, and I did not even pay attention. I love this time of year when things come out for the holidays and different things, and the advent calendar like this is so fun. But I can never wait. So that's why when I asked y'all, I'll be honest. When I asked y'all if you wanted me to go ahead and unbox it, I was like, please say yes. Please say yes. Because I'm impatient. So, but I just think these little things are just adorable. So, I mean, I definitely think it's worth it. I think it's fun, you know, if you're not like me and you have the patience and you do one by one, or even if you don't, it's fun to see what, even though again, I just realized it tells you on the back, don't peek on the back, and then you don't know what you're getting each day. So let me know in the comments what you guys thought, if you have picked this up or if you're planning to, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will talk with you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye.